totally. So my two business partners, Steve and Curtis, opened the shop in 1996. They just loved comics. They were excited about what was happening in comics. They were kind of getting reinvigorated by the medium in general, and opened a shop just a couple of blocks away from here purely out of passion. And that was 22 years ago, which is crazy.
So how long have you been a part of this whole process?
So I have been shopping here since the shop first opened. And I was a kid. They opened up just a couple of doors down, and I was just like so excited. I could not wait for this place to open. I started working here about 10 years ago, and then I came in as a partner maybe 5 years ago, I think.
Okay. Pretty recent.
Yeah.
Awesome. So tell me, what is something that sets the Vault of Midnight apart from other comic book shops?
Well, what sets us apart is that we want this to be something for absolutely everybody. Comic books have never been as good as they are right now. The medium has never been as vibrant and active as it is right now. As inclusive, they've never been as good as they are. And comic shops kind of historically and unfortunately have a reputation of maybe not being for everybody, and maybe not being the most accessible thing in the world. So everything about our shop, from the way that we train our staff to design the shop to the colors that we use on the wall, we want it to be as accessible and bright and welcoming as possible, so that we can get anybody to give this stuff a chance. We think if anybody will keep an open mind and walk through our door, we can find something that they are going to love, and they will fall in love with this medium.
Definitely. And what do you see as the future outlook for the Vault of Midnight? Are you guys looking to expand further out of state, or what are you looking to do?
So we don't know. We have 3 shops right now. We have the flagship shop here in Ann Arbor. About 5 years ago, we opened a shop in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and then our Detroit shop is 2 years old at this point. And now we're trying to, figure out how to make that run really, really well. Is there a way to expand it further beyond that? Right now, we're solidifying everything. We're figuring out how to run the 3 shops as well as we think that we did running 1 shop. And then once all that's sorted out, then hopefully maybe many more. I hope. I think this could work anywhere. I think there should be Vault of Midnight all over the world, but let's see.
Okay. And just tell us in just short order, what makes this place truly special?
I think there are maybe fewer and fewer places that are not the internet where you can find a lot of this stuff. Like, we sell paper in 2018, right? Like, that's kind of weird. We want to do, if there's something that makes it special, I hope it's that we're doing this well, we're doing retail really well. We're justifying the act of coming into a physical place and being in a space and talking to people that are friendly and that care and that are into the stuff that you might be into. All of our focus goes into making, justifying this giant building with all of this physical stuff. I think that's increasingly harder to come by, and that's what we work on every day. We're trying to earn that every single day.
Awesome.